You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the screen resolution to QHD Plus on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Display option. Inside the Display Settings menu, look for and select Screen Resolution. You will now see a list of available resolution modes. The options will typically include HD+, FHD+, and WHD+, which is the QHD+ setting. Tap on WHD+ to select the highest resolution, which is QHD+. A brief description will explain that this uses more battery but provides the sharpest image. After selecting it, you will see a preview of the change. To confirm and apply the new resolution, tap the Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Your screen will flicker momentarily as it adjusts to the new QHD Plus resolution. You can immediately see the difference in sharpness, especially with text and fine details. To go back to a lower resolution for better battery life, simply return to this menu and select FHD Plus or HD Plus instead. Your phone's display is now set to its maximum QHD Plus clarity. For more simple Samsung tutorials, subscribe to the channel.